Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're as excited about drones as we are, then you've probably heard the buzz about DJI's upcoming release. That's right, we're talking about the DJI Mavic 4. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks, rumors, and everything you can expect from this highly anticipated drone. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the leaks and rumors. The drone community is abuzz with speculation, and we've gathered the juiciest details for you. According to a recent article by Drone DJ, the Mavic 4 is expected to feature a significant upgrade in its camera system. We're talking about a possible 1-inch CMOS sensor, which would be a massive improvement in image quality and low-light performance. But that's not all. There's also talk about a new obstacle avoidance system. Sources like Tech Radar have hinted that DJI is working on enhancing their already impressive obstacle sensing technology. Imagine flying your drone with even more confidence, knowing it's equipped with the latest safety features. So, what else can we expect from the DJI Mavic 4? Well, if the rumors are true, we might see an extended flight time. The current Mavic 3 boasts a 46-minute flight time, and there's speculation that the Mavic 4 could push this even further, possibly hitting the 50-minute mark. Just think of all the amazing footage you could capture with that extra time in the air. Another exciting rumor is the potential for improved transmission range. The Mavic 3 already offers an impressive 15 kilometers of range, but the Mavic 4 might stretch this even further. This means more freedom to explore and capture stunning shots from even greater distances. Now, let's take a look at what the drone community is saying on social media. Over on X, user Jasper Ellens posted a fascinating thread about the possible features of the Mavic 4. They mentioned a rumored update to DJI's Fly app, which could include new intelligent flight modes and enhanced editing tools. If true, this would make the Mavic 4 not just a flying camera, but a complete aerial filmmaking solution. And speaking of intelligent flight modes, there are whispers about new and improved tracking capabilities. Imagine your drone following you more accurately than ever before, keeping you in frame no matter where you go. This could be a game changer for vloggers and adventurers alike. With all these exciting leaks and rumors, it's hard not to get hyped about the DJI Mavic 4. Of course, we should take some of these details with a grain of salt until DJI makes an official announcement. But if even half of these rumors are true, we're in for a real treat. What do you think about the potential features of the DJI Mavic 4? Are you excited about the rumored upgrades? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.